Guys, look at the bunny. Oh my god. It's just laying down. Oh my god, look at the little tail. It's so cute. Oh my god.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
Hello everyone, it's Sarah here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering who this is Duck. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys an afternoon in my life in quarantine. And I honestly don't do that much, so I'll call this a chill afternoon. So right now it is 5:14, May 21st, and I have not done my homework yet. So we're gonna do our homework.
Take my hand and hold it.
Okay, so for history, I have to watch a 17-minute video on Actively Learn and answer questions throughout the video, which it's not bad.
Don't stop looking in my
Maybe it is bad. There are a lot of questions because it's a 17-minute and 20-second video.
Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around.
Okay guys, so I just finished writing my Spanish thing for the speaking quizzes, and now I just need to record both of them. I hope I got all the conjugations correct, but yeah, I'm gonna record it now and you guys are gonna hear a little part of it. Apocalipsis sobrevivientes, provisiones en un apocalipsis zombie, primero busca unas provisiones. Sal el lugar solamente para comida o las provisiones. Debes sobrevivir. En un apocalipsis zombie, primero busca unas provisiones. Guys, I'm gonna be turning all of this in for Spanish. I'm finally done with Spanish this week. Yay! Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Going to be eating pizza rolls. They're in the oven right now, so I'm just gonna be waiting for them. Guys, look at the bunny. Oh my god. It's just laying down. Oh my god, look at the little tail. It's so cute. Oh my god. I guess this is a snack. This isn't really a lunch or anything, so I'm gonna call it a snack. So we're gonna be eating some pizza rolls, chips, and soy milk. Now, I'm not lactose intolerant or anything, but I still like soy milk, so soy leche. So I'm gonna eat now while watching some art TikToks on YouTube because I don't have the TikTok app.
Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes.
Okay, so now I think I'm gonna draw because I'm almost done with my sketchbook. But I have 4 pages left, and then yeah, I'll do a little time lapse. So it's like a speed paint.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. One gets never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you.